Hey guys, if you watched any of my recent videos, you see that I've been cleaning house, trying to get stuff organized. I mean, I got a pile of stuff there I need to take up to my trash pile that's at the top of my hill here. I have somebody come get that periodically once it fills up. But I mean, all this excess material, a lot of this is stuff that Jensko wouldn't take back a while back, so it kind of pisses me off. I got the old Bosch unit there. Well, brand new old Bosch unit, 3-ton 20s here that I'll get sold here soon. And then, I've showed you this. This is the one that I yanked out of the customer's house that was never going to be happy with me, and I was never happy with them. So we'll get that one sold too at a discount to somebody because it's been installed for a few months. But what I wanted to show you is that I'm a huge proponent of this brake from Harbor Freight. It's a 3-foot brake. It comes with a couple legs. You just bolt down to here. So really all you need to be, as efficient or even more efficient than a big shop as a one-man band. Doing furnace change-outs, heat pump, AC add-ons, change-outs, etc. is this brake and a roll of metal. Set yourself up a little table, and you can build anything. I've showed you guys how to do Pittsburgh seams with just your brake. You can make it look like, you can make your fittings look just like the nice shops do, or at least pretty close to it. So yeah, big proponent of this brake. So yeah, that's kind of what I wanted to talk about a little bit. Hopefully I'm not distracting you. Hold on. I got my Trump. My wife got this as a joke. This is my Trump calendar with him holding a kitten each month. It's a joke. It's not a political channel. I take everything with a grain of salt. It's all for entertainment purposes, and politics is pretty entertaining. And I'm just like everybody else. I just want what's best for everybody. But what this video is going to be about is how do we make one-man bands like myself, one-man band HVAC companies more efficient? Well, I just showed you that brake over there, and I really believe that the more you can do on the site and not have to rely on anybody else is the best thing, right? So keep your truck stocked. If you do installs like I do, have everything there. You can do it yourself. Don't try not to outsource anything. The only thing I outsource is my electrical work, and that's only because the stupid state I live in doesn't allow me to do it. Otherwise, I just do it. It's not brain surgery, So, or like some people would say, it's not rocket surgery or brain science. But that's the only thing I outsource. Everything else I try to do by myself, all by myself. Other than lifting equipment and stuff that I can't, I can get an extra set of hands, whether it be my brother. I can hire a day laborer, whatever. Pay him for 8 hours, but help me for 2, and I find ways to get it done. So anyway, roll up my sleeves. It's a little warm out here today. It's getting up to about 60 today, which is surprising because we'll probably get some snow next month. But yeah, as far as that brake is concerned, I'm able to not only build my sheet metal transitions on site or anything I need. I also gain some revenue from it by building sheet metal fittings for a few other small companies here in town. I got about a handful, 5 or 6, that call me up periodically, give me dimensions, and I build them up a transition. Just because they don't have the means to do so, or maybe they don't have the skill to build it. So it's another little revenue stream, for me as a small business owner to make a little more money. So I think that's what it's all about, right? I mean, life's not all about money, but it's about making your life easier. So yeah, and I got my little Trump magnet on my refrigerator too. Hey, better than what we had, man. That's all I'm gonna say. I think you need to get your head checked if you thought those last 4 years we had a real president in the office. But again, not political, but I'm just being real here. So it might cost some of you to turn the channel off. I don't really care. If you take life that serious, then I'm not your guy. I just don't take it too seriously. It's all in good fun, and I'll say it again. I just want what's best for everybody, and that includes whether you're left, right, up or down, in the middle, whatever. Best for everybody. I want everybody to be happy, healthy, and financially well. So anyway, that's just a simple way that, for me to be efficient as a one-man band is to make sure that I can cover all my bases on all the work I do. Another thing that I did, so years ago, because they're really weird about plumbing stuff here in the state of Oregon. They're weird about everything. The bureaucrats are weird about everything. But what they've haven't allowed HVAC guys to do are water heaters, unless you go out and get a specialty license. It's a plumbing license that's strictly for water heater installations. It's a WHI, water heater installer. So I went and got it a long time ago. I let it lapse, and then I went and got it about 3 years ago. And hold on, my door's about to slam. Went and got it about 3 years ago. Let me get over here with better lighting now, because since that door's shut. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Oh, that's better. So anyway, I went and got that license, and it allows me to install water heaters now legally. I can pull permits. It's a minor label program is what they call it. They have the same thing in the electrical division too, where I just have to buy these little labels, put them on the water heater. Inspector comes and make sure that it's installed to code. Supposedly, I go above and beyond code on those, but I need to make sure that sticker's on there. So make sure that they're getting their money. So anyway, pretty much all I had for you today. I just want to talk a little bit about that lighting sucks. Probably don't want to see this ugly mug anyway, but good Lord. Oh, sorry guys. But that's pretty much all I wanted to say today. Ways. I want to start a new I'll probably do it about once every couple of weeks. Strictly for one-man bands in the HVAC industry. How do we make ourselves more efficient? What are things that you do to make yourself more efficient? Mine is to be make sure I don't have to take any trips to the parts houses or take any trips to another contractor to do things for me. Like I said, I'm kind of stuck with the electrical because it's not like I'm going to go back and do a 4-year apprenticeship in electrical, which is what this crazy state of Oregon makes you do. So I'm stuck legally subbing that out, which I hate doing because they don't do as nice of a job as I do on the electrical, and they charge me out the ass. So anyway, just wanted to check in real quick today, guys. Hope everybody's doing good out there. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Hit that like button, share to your friends, neighbors, enemies, whoever it may be, and I'll see you on the next one.